Welcome to the best picks. The Best Bypass Closet Track Kit is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your closet, seamlessly gliding your doors open and closed, and making a world of difference in how smoothly your closet functions. In this video, we will review this amazing product and help you decide if it's the right choice for your home. Number 5. Primeline 163589 Bypass Track Kit. This kit is perfect for installing or replacing medium-duty sliding closet door systems. It's designed for smooth and easy operation. With a 48-inch opening, it's ideal for various closet sizes. The adjustable rollers accommodate door thicknesses from 3/4 inch to 1 to 1/4 inch. It features a galvanized steel track for lasting durability and plastic wheels for quiet operation. Steel brackets and brass finger pulls add a touch of elegance. All installation hardware is included for a quick and straightforward installation process. Simply follow the instructions for a seamless setup. The track measures 47 inches wide, 1 to 1/16 inches high, and 1 to 9/16 inches deep. Please check these dimensions against your closet before ordering. It uses 7 8-inch diameter wheels for smooth, effortless sliding. The dial adjusting rollers ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Transform your closet with this easy-to-install kit. It's a simple solution for a smoother, more efficient sliding door system. What we like? It features dial-adjusting rollers for easy installation and alignment. The steel track ensures durability and longevity. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install kit, this is the one for you. Number 4. RICHELIEU 14660 BC Bypass Door Hardware. It's perfect for maximizing space in bathrooms, closets, or any area where a swinging door just won't work. This kit offers a stylish and efficient sliding door solution. With its V-shaped, jump-proof track, it ensures smooth and quiet sliding action every time. Plus, it's easily customizable to your exact needs. The dial-adjustable door hangers make installation and alignment a breeze. You'll have your sliding door up and running in no time. It's built to last, supporting 2 panels up to 60 pounds each. It's a durable and reliable choice for years of use. It's compatible with a wide range of door thicknesses and includes everything you need for a complete installation, except the door panels. The sleek design complements any decor. This kit includes a track, adjustable floor guide, door hangers, finger pulls, and all the mounting hardware you'll need. Everything is included for a seamless installation. What we like? This kit boasts a 60-inch track, perfect for larger openings. The zinc and brass construction offers both style and durability. If you're working with a larger closet and want a high-quality, stylish kit, this is a great option. What people say? The brackets that have guides at the top so you can't go wrong on installing them, and the knobs to adjust the door height makes it really easy to get the doors perfectly aligned. Use this for my 58 opening. Used a new blade on my hacksaw and cut it to a perfect length. Great unit for the clean installation. As described, an install was easy. Adjustable to fit the opening nicely. Easy to follow instructions. Comes with everything required to install. Number 3. 6-foot bypass sliding closet door kit. Tired of clunky closet doors? This kit offers smooth, effortless operation for years to come. It's the perfect upgrade for any closet. It's built with heavy-duty aluminum and can handle doors weighing up to 150 pounds. This is a system designed to last. Easily adjusted to fit your unique closet space. The track can be cut to size, and it accommodates various door thicknesses. Installation is a breeze with the quick-release lock tabs. You'll have your new sliding doors in place in no time. The ball-bearing rollers ensure incredibly smooth and quiet gliding. Say goodbye to noisy, sticking doors. Everything you need is right here: tracks, hangers, guides, stoppers, even the tools and screws. It's a truly comprehensive kit. It's backed by a 2-year warranty and is built to withstand more than 100,000 uses. It's an investment you can trust. What we like? This heavy-duty kit is built to last, handling doors weighing up to 150 pounds. The track is easily cut to size for a perfect fit. If you need a robust and adaptable solution, this is the best choice. What people say? Perfect application for this kit. I changed a few of the install provided dimensions to accommodate my door thickness. Highly recommend this product. Easy to install, but be sure to read the instructions. Had to trim about 1/4 inch off each door. Doors slide smoothly. The doors are solid wood and heavy. The doors were constantly falling other tracks I tried. No problem with these. The hardware kit was a simple install. The instructions were detailed and the hardware was smooth and effortless. Number 2. Primeline 161792 Closet Track Kit. This kit makes installing your sliding closet doors a breeze. It's designed for easy installation and smooth operation. Watch how smoothly it operates. It's perfect for closet doors of various thicknesses. It accommodates doors from 3/4 inch to 1 to 1/4 inch thick, each weighing up to 60 pounds. It's versatile and durable. All the necessary installation fasteners are included. Installation is quick and simple. It's made of high-quality steel and plastic components with attractive brass-plated poles. It's built to last. This 59-inch track is designed for openings up to 48 inches. Always double-check your measurements before ordering. It's a complete system for 2 bypassing doors. Use the included offset roller assemblies for perfect alignment. What we like? It includes stylish brass-plated poles and a 60-inch track. The offset rollers ensure smooth operation. If you want a stylish and functional kit for a standard-sized closet, this is a great option. What people say? The track is made of thick gauge steel, as are the rollers. Wheels appear to be nylon. The system is super simple to install and door leveling is done by easily rotating the rollers until the door is plumb with the jamb. This install was a breeze and there are very few parts requiring fiddling or detailed adjustment or trimming. This, I believe, is where all other experiences I've had with bypass as a design solution have gone wrong. They were too complicated. This is just a really simple and well-considered design. The Slideco track and guides worked great. The track was a lot sturdier than I thought it would be. The doors slide easily and install was very easy. Number 1. Primeline 163590 Closet Track Kit. This kit is perfect for installing or replacing your sliding closet door system. It's designed for medium-duty use and is easy to install. It measures 59 inches wide, 1 to 116 inches high, and 1 to 916 inches deep. This ensures a perfect fit for your closet. It uses 7 8-inch diameter wheels and features adjustable roller assemblies. These fit doors from 3/4 inch to 1 to 1/4 inch thick. It's built to last with a galvanized steel track, plastic wheels, floor guide, and steel brackets. You can depend on it for years to come. Before ordering, please check the dimensions in the included line art drawing to ensure it meets your needs. Installation is straightforward and simple. This kit provides a smooth, reliable sliding door system. Get yours today and enjoy the convenience. What we like? This kit offers adjustable components for a precise fit. The steel track provides lasting durability. If you need a reliable and adjustable kit for a medium-duty application, this is the right one. What people say? Helped my son rehang his heavy wood sliding closet doors. The track he had would allow the doors to come off if you angled the doors and popped out the wheeled bracket. After installing the new brackets provided in the kit, we found we couldn't get the doors back on the new track as the wheels just wouldn't fit no matter how we angled the door. Plan B was to take the brackets off the door and instead hang them in the track. Much easier to get the wheels in the track without the burden of the doors, and they definitely were captured with no danger of popping off. This is for my closet. It works well, much better than the original one. The product had everything I needed to complete the job and it installed fairly easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.